What's up, Pilipinas? I'm Margie Di Castro, President of Quezon City Travel Agency Association. Now, I'm inviting you all to please visit and come to our Travel Expo, which is the QCPAA More to Explore Travel Expo on August 16 and 17. It's a two-day event wherein best deals or discounted rates and promo rates of airline tickets, hospitality group like the hotel accommodations, and we have the package tours. All are discounted. So this is the time that you will go may ano doon na yung murang mga travel deals, so best deals po. So it's high time that you will visit and come to our Travel Expo on August 16 and 17.
Ayun, thank you. Ma'am, let's do it again. On the count of 3, sigaw ulit tayo ng What's up, Pilipinas? More energy, okay? 1.
Balik, sandali. Balik pa.
Hindi, doon na po. Shout out lang po.
Ano yung Pilipinas?
Oh,
Pilipinas.
Tagalog, Pilipinas. On the count of 3 po, okay? 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas?
Thank you.